We are now starting paper 1, 4 of this paper, Mechanics 2023 is the year. It is of 75, 50 marks. This is 2023. Timing for that paper is 1 hour 15 minutes and total marks for this paper is 50. Now, we are going to solve question one by one. Question 1 is two particles P and Q of masses m kg and 0.3 kg respectively are at rest on a smooth horizontal surface of the plane. P is projected at a speed of 5 meters per second directly towards Q. After P and Q collides, P particle moves with a speed of 2 meters per second in the same direction as it was originally moving. Part A. Find in terms of m the speed of the particle Q after this collision. So, this is P and Q are the two particles of masses m kg and 0.3 kg, and P is moving towards point Q. So, before the collision, the speed of the particle P is 5 meter per second, whereas this particle is at rest. And after this collision of P with this Q there, P is moving with the speed of 2 meters per second, and the speed of the Q particle is supposed to be V, and that is going to be calculated. We know one thing from this topic of the momentum, that the momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. And momentum before collision will be m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. Since the particle of this m1 is m, u1 is 5 plus m2 is at rest, so that thing is 0 into m2 is rest 0 there. m1 is again m, speed of that particle after the collision with q particle is 2, mass of that particle is 0.3, and the speed of that particle is v. So this will become 5m equal to 2m plus 0.3v. This will become 5 minus 2, 3m is equal to 0.3v, or v is equal to 3 over 0.3m. That thing is equal to 0.1 of m. So this is the velocity of the particle Q after this collision in terms of m there. And m after this in terms of the value of m. Now, the second part of this one is after this collision, Q moves directly towards the particle, third particle R, and of mass 0.6 kg, which is at rest. Q is brought to rest in the direction collision with R, and R begins to move with a speed of 1.5 meters per second. Find the value of m. In the second part, now Q is going to collide with the particle R, which is at rest. And we have calculated this, that Q is already moving with the speed of 10 m. So that is its u1, where R particle is at rest, so its speed is 0 there before the collision. And after this collision, particle Q is going to be at rest, and particle R is going to move with the speed of 1.5 meters per second. Again, we use the same rule. Momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision. So m1 is m m1 u1 plus m2 u2 is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 there. So it is moving with the speed of 10 m there. So we can calculate so m1 for this particle q is 0.3 into u1. It is moving with the speed of 10 m. Particle r is going to be of mass 0.6. It was at rest before the collision. So u2 will be taken 0 there, where m1 particle q is going to be rest, that is of 0.3 into 0 plus m2, that is of mass of particle r, which is 0.6 into the speed of that particle is 1.5. So this will become 3m plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 90. So m is equal to 0.90 over 3, or that thing is equal to 0.3 kg of this particle of this mass m there, which is going to be calculated equal to 0.3 kg. So this is the first question we have solved for this topic of momentum. And we have to keep this thing in our mind, that momentum before collision is equal to momentum after collision.